Hey guys, it's your boy Blackrue. The last video did not have sound. My bad, guys. So we're gonna do this over again. We're gonna be talking stable coins. So it wasn't just Terra Luna that got attacked. So this is very important thing to understand. It wasn't just Terra Luna that got attacked. So let's get into it. So it wasn't just USDT Terra Luna that got attacked, and rumor has it again, allegedly, not proven, that BlackRock and Citadel did this. If you're not familiar with them, they're the same two boogeymen, the same two hedge funds that allegedly got Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and WeBull to stop trading GameStop when that whole GameStop fiasco happened that basically bankrupted a hedge fund, right? So they're the big willies of the entire world, right? They got about $7 trillion under management at BlackRock. $7 trillion. So to put that in perspective, Do Kwon, leader of Terra Luna, put 3.5 billion into trying to get this peg to just stick, and he could do nothing about it. So let that sink in. So they had to have enough money not only to attack UST, which they did on 5/9. They also had to have enough money to attack Neutrino, which also happened 5/9. It lost this peg down to, down to like almost 75 cents. And Tether, also, it lost this peg 5/11 down to 97 cents. And DEI, one of the worst ones of all, went all the way down to 50 something cents. It's sitting at about 64 right now. This happened 5/15. Like they tried to have it happen 5/11, but it bounced back and they weren't able to really. So you see, they tried to have it happen here 5/11, but it bounced back and they weren't really able to push it off its peg until 5/15. So who benefits from all these stable coins getting attacked like this? It's my opinion that the U.S. Government benefits. So we come over here, like literally like 5/10, 5/11. The U.S. Secretary, or the U.S. Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, says stable coins could lead to, like, basically they require regulation is what she's saying. So Yellen and Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell testified before a Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday, saying that these guys need regulation, right? And uh, of course, the U.S. government has already said it wants its own CBDC, U.S. stablecoin. So, what better way to make these stablecoins look unstable and in need of regulation than to have like one of the biggest hedge funds allegedly in the world, in the U.S., attack these and prove that they're vulnerable, right? Um, so that's my opinion. That's my reading the tea leaves. Gotta say, don't have any proof on it, no receipts on it, but it just makes sense to me. If they want to have stable coins regulated, that this is something that they would do, right? Why would they do that? Why would they do that? I come over here and I'll show you some chains, right? So we come over here and look at some chains. This is DeFi Llama. This shows you the amount of money locked up in DeFi, right? So Terra Luna went from Terra Luna. Let's see if we can find Luna. Okay, it's because it's on overview. Let me go to chains. Luna. Okay. So Luna went. This is just crazy. From about 30 billion locked to 1.82 million. Now, some of this is just money lost from people just getting caught up in the whole short. But you can bet your bottom dollar that banks and all of the big wigs do not like seeing, which was at one point, they do not like seeing, oh man, where is it? More than 240 something $billion wrapped up in crypto. It's getting taken out of the bank's pockets, the regulators' pockets, the middlemen's pockets. You can bet your bottom dollar they don't like to see that. So this is the first major, just real attack on crypto. All of the institutional money at this point probably mostly flowed out, which is really sad to see. But people might think it's a really good thing to have regulation in crypto, but you might want to think twice about that, because if we look at the stock market, stocks to have a nice stock, say like Seek or Cardano, like along that line of support, you're gonna pay like $10, at least like $10 a share for that. So I don't know if you want a lot of regulation in crypto. However, you are going to want some big wig hedge funds that really want to make sure their money's secure to come into a regulated side of crypto. So there's kind of a catch-22 there, because if regulation comes in, a lot of us are going to get priced out of crypto, and I'm not sure if that's a good thing. And the way that it is now without regulation, if you have two trusted parties, it's kind of like me trading something with my best friend, right? There's no real like middleman issuing tons of different fees in between. So in that sense, I'm thinking that we would not really want crypto to be regulated. We would want a pocket of regulation for like the big wigs, the hedge funds that will grow our total value locked, but we're not going to want the whole regulation hammer, because really that's going to just price us out of crypto is what it's going to do. So let me know what you guys think about it, because to me this seems supremely orchestrated. It does not seem like it's like just an inside job for one coin, which is UST. It seems like all of these were targeted and attacked at the exact same time. So let me know what you guys think about it. Come on over to the channel, and one of some things you might want to look at over here, I got these LCX videos, really good exchange there. Got this Steam exchange vids, very good exchange there. And also, if you want to know how to do a little bit of charting, I got it over here with beginner stock crypto learning videos. You can learn about charting there. So let me know what you guys think about this situation. Do you think these guys were targeted? Do you think that we should have the regulation hammer come in here? What do you think? Because it definitely seems, to me, my opinion, no receipts on this, just speculation. It seems to look very good for people who really want to regulate crypto to have this happen to stablecoins. Looks very good for the U.S. government who wants to build its own stablecoin. Let me know what you think in the comments. Check out some of my previous videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace.